Step 1. First, connect the handset. Grab the longer straight end of the cord. Plug it into the base next to the handset icon. Press the cord into the channel. Plug the other end into the handset. Step 2. Then adjust the foot stand with the side button. Press and hold it in so you don't break the internal mechanism. Step 3. Connect Ethernet. Plug your Ethernet cable into the port marked with SW. SW stands for switch. Plug the other end into your network connection or switch. If you don't have a spare Ethernet port, you can share a port by daisy chaining your phone with your computer. Unplug your computer's Ethernet connection from the network. Plug the cable from your phone into your network. Then plug your computer's Ethernet into the port on your phone marked PC. The cable should run from the network to your phone, then from your phone to your PC. Step 4. Connect power. Plug the AC jack into the base of the phone and the plug into a power outlet. If you are using power over Ethernet, the network cable will supply the power and you will not have an AC adapter. Once your phone has power and a network connection, watch for the following. Make sure the buttons flash in sequence: headset, mute, speaker. The Cisco Systems Inc. copyright appears on the LCD. Then the following messages appear. Configuring VLAN. Here the phone configures the Ethernet connection. Configuring IP. The phone obtains IP address. Requesting configuration. The phone contacts ohio.net to configure its settings. Upgrading software. The phone displays this message only if it determines an upgrade is required. After upgrading the image, the phone automatically reboots to run the new image. After your phone successfully cycles through these steps, the main LCD displays the correct date, time, and extension. Then it has started up properly and you're ready to make and receive calls.